Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to mute a channel video chat on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. If you're part of a busy channel and want to keep the video chat live but without sound, this guide is perfect for you. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Then, navigate to the channel where the video chat is happening or where you want to start one. Next, look for the call icon. This is the middle icon you'll see in the channel interface. Click on it to access the video chat options. From here, select Start Live Stream. This allows you to broadcast your video chat live in the channel. After that, you'll need to choose your account to confirm that you're the one starting the live stream. This step is just a quick verification, so click your account and confirm. Once your live stream starts, head to the call screen. Right in the middle, you'll see the mute icon. Click that mute button to silence your microphone, so you're broadcasting video without any audio. And that's it. You've successfully muted the video chat in your Telegram channel. This is especially useful if you want to share visuals without distractions or background noise. Remember, muting like this keeps your live stream going, but your audience won't hear anything from your side. If you want to unmute later, just click the same mute button again. Thank you for watching.